Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a barely there makeup look featuring these gorgeous products, including how you can turn your powder foundation into a BB cream. Starting off with the Au Naturale Semi Matte Powder Foundation with a flat-topped, more dense brush, and really working this into the skin with buffing motions, adding more coverage and layering where you need it. On the other side of my face, I'm going to turn this into a BB cream. So you can either tap some out on the back of your hand, or here I'm just using a teacup saucer and adding some of the Flower Spice Midnight Beauty Rich Revitalizing Serum. The more serum that you add, the sheerer the coverage of the foundation. So just customize it to whatever you're going for. Adding the serum to the powder foundation is not only going to give you some extra skincare benefits, but it's also going to give the finish of the foundation a more glowy, dewy look like a liquid foundation would. As you can see, it's quite different on both sides, but it's great to know that you can customize the foundation to whatever you feel like on the day. You can also use a bit more of the powder to matte it down in places where you think it might be a little bit too shiny. I'm going to be using the Au Naturale Pure Powder Highlighter in the shade Begonia on my eyes and cheeks today. Starting with the eyes and selecting a brush that isn't too dense, so something a little bit more fluffy for a lighter application on one side. The fluffier brush is going to give you a very soft wash of colour, nothing too intense. If you do want more colour, choose a brush that is a little bit denser. This will pick up more product and you can really place it on the eye, blending out the same way that you would and building up if you want more colour. Now adding a little bit of that highlight to the very top of my cheekbones with a light hand. When the light catches it, it'll just give you that very subtle, beautiful glow. Finishing off the cheeks with some Manassi 7 Beauty Evolution All Over Colour in the shade Bisque. This is a cream product that you can use in many different ways, but today I'm just using it on my cheeks. Patting it in with my fingers. On the side where you haven't mixed the serum in, it might be a little bit harder to blend with fingers, but tapping motions work well, a little bit easier on the side with the serum. No eyeliner today, but I'll be finishing off with a lick of mascara. No eye look is complete without it. To finish off the look and keep everything really soft and subtle, I'm going to use the Au Naturale High Luster Lip Gloss in the shade Magnolia. So there it is, a very easy to wear, soft look. I'd love to know which side of the foundation you prefer, so let us know over at the Natives Co Instagram. And if you'd like more information on each of the products I've used, check out the blog post.